Nataka mpigo kidogo tafadhali, songa kidogo tafadhali. Tusonge kidogo, twende kipindi kingine. Tusonge kidogo tafadhali. Tusonge nyuma tafadhali. Tusonge kidogo tafadhali. Twende uwanja nafasi. Kubali watoto wa kusukuma, unasimama tu.
Hallelujah. Now the last message is this. We say, dear God, as we have witnessed today, that the two hearts can still beat as one. And we have just performed this ceremony and sent a young man and a young woman from their homes to go make a home of their own. We are reminded of God of another great procession. There will be someday when Jesus comes to receive his bride. The little lady standing spotless in her bridal gown. God, may we keep our souls unspotted from the things of the world, that we might be loved by Him whom is our